Well, hello, Marcus. I'm Dr. Carter. I've read a bit about your case, but I'd like to hear it from you. What's bothering you? Give me some level of detail as well.
It's my back, Doc. Been 18 months now. A constant ache. And it shoots down my right leg. I'm a construction foreman. I can't do my job right with this.
And I see you had an MRI.
Yeah, about 10 months ago. Showed some wear and tear, bulging disc, said it was hitting a nerve. So what? Doesn't change anything.
I see there's a little arthritis as well, too.
Yeah, arthritis. My dad had that too, ended up with surgery, and still hurt. What's that mean for me?
Well, we're going to work through this. So, tell me when it's the worst during the day. Is it the morning?
Mornings, definitely. Takes me 20 minutes just to get out of bed. By the end of the day, after sitting at a desk, it's a 7 out of 10.
And how is your sleep? Do you find you can get some good sleep?
I'm up 3, 4 times a night just trying to roll over. It's a joke.
And I see you've tried a number of things, including a number of medications. Are you on anything at the moment?
I tried ibuprofen, messed up my stomach. The muscle relaxers made me too drowsy to work. Gabapentin did squat. So no, not really on anything for the pain right now.
Okay, so I understand how frustrating this is. Let's get you up on the table. I'm going to do an exam, and we're going to do our best to get you back to shape.